How did I make $372 creating one Christmas idea that I used from other ideas? It's really not that hard. Once you figure out how to come up with the idea, you've got to actually put it into play with the print-on-demand store you want to work with and the creation. But let me just show you how easy it is, because hundreds of people are doing this right now. And because this is a seasonal type video, you can do this for the next season, whatever that may be, whether it's Easter or 4th of July. But hopefully you get some ideas from this. So stick around. We've got some really good stuff. So it's the holidays, and what better way to get inspiration than from Amazon? So my interest is in ugly Christmas shirts for men. I'm being very niche specific, but you could do whatever you'd like. Again, we're interested in creating ugly Christmas t-shirts. So what I'll do is do a quick search in Amazon, and I'll get some inspiration from that. And of course, if you do a search for ugly Christmas shirt, you can see everything that pops up that you can still get inspiration from, depending on the niche that you want to get into. Maybe it's just women only. Maybe it's both. Maybe it's something funny. Maybe it's something for kids, whatever that may be. The next step is this. Now that you've decided on what you want to do, which is create an ugly shirt for men, then you could go to ChatGPT. What I like about ChatGPT is this is a site where you can put in anything you want and it will spit out an answer. Give me 5 ugly sweater ideas with text related to Christmas but funny. And you can see it put everything out there that I wanted. But I want you to notice I just picked this one in particular, Slay My Name, Slay My Name. I thought it was actually pretty funny. And the next step after that then is to find out whether or not that is trademarked, because I don't want to use something that's already trademarked. There's plenty of sites that you can check out to find out whether or not it is trademarked. So let me give you an idea of what you can do right out of the gate. You can go to TM Hunt and find out right away in the search. I put in Slay My Name, and then once you go ahead and put that in, you can click search right there. And I really had no results, so that was actually a good sign. The next thing you can do is you can go to this site here. This is USPTO. Okay, now this here, you can find out based on trademark searches whether or not words or phrases can be used that you want to use for your shirt. You see, by doing this, you're just making sure and ensuring that whatever idea you have, you're not going to hear anything about it later, or it's not going to be taken down on whatever site that you have it on. So what's the next step? Now, I'm part of a print-on-demand store called TeePublic. I may go there and find out what do they already have using those particular words or phrases. And you can see right away there are some ideas here. And again, we're going for an ugly sweater type theme. So you can get inspiration from here. You can see it's used quite a bit. That tells me right there as well that it's a popular idea and that I can use it. Oh, and don't forget Etsy. That's another great place you can go. Just put in ugly men's t-shirt ideas. That's a great place to find other inspiration. Now you're off to the races to create the design. We're going to do that in Canva. There's a paid version and there is a free version. Mine is the paid version, and I can tell you it is worth every bit. What you're going to do is go to custom size, create new. And you can see I've already done this before. So the width is going to be 4,500 by 5,400. Create new design. Now you're going to get this template here. And they make it really easy to use. But you always want to still be original. So no matter what you use on this left-hand side here, especially when it comes to elements, because that's what you're going to be using, you want to make sure you add enough to your template to make it unique. So let's go to elements right now, and we'll go to the search bar, and let's just put in sleigh. Let's use this one right here. You can see it pops up right on this template right here. You can adjust the size if you want. I'll make it maybe a little bit bigger, and then I'm still going to center it. I'll go back to elements, and let's go to, actually we're going to go to text. Let's go to heading, and we're going to put in Slay My Name. So now I've written it in there, but maybe I want to change the font. So I can go here to change the font, head over here, and I may actually put in the search bar Christmas, just to see what pops up. I can click on any one of these and it will change what this looks like. And that doesn't look bad, but we're going to keep it. And we could even add an effect on there. You can see the effect right there. Let's give it a little bit of a shadow. Let's give it a red shadow. Remember, everything is customizable on here, which is nice. Now I can go ahead and double this by clicking this button here, and we'll bring that one down. We'll head back to Elements and I'll put snowflakes. Let's add this one here. I'm gonna have to shrink it down. Let's add another color. So now we've got red and blue. We can go ahead and double that one up. Bring that one over, and again, this can be kind of a little bit tedious in the beginning, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like now after we finished it. So this may take a minute here, but you see what I did. I put those snowflakes at the top. Now, if you feel like you can't make it organized, you can actually group them all together, just like this. And you can click this button here and click space evenly, and then you click tidy up, and that will actually tidy them up evenly. Here's another trick. I want to take this, I'm going to group it together. This will give me more time to work with because of doing it this way. Hit group, okay? And now I can copy this and just bring it down. See what I just did there? It makes my life a lot easier. Okay, so I've added a little bit of detail here, but this is pretty much the gist of it. Now I can go ahead and take this design and upload it to a print-on-demand store. In this case here, we're going to use TeePublic. That's the one that I use. So we'll go ahead and upload it. But before we do, we're going to click the share button here. We'll click download, transparent background, download. Now we'll upload it to the TeePublic site. Again, whatever site that you decide to use is up to you. Now you can see once uploaded, you fill in all the necessary information. And here's what it looks like on a mug. Here's what it looks like on a shirt. Here's a better image that the consumer will see, or the person that's looking. But you can see how nice that actually looks. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out in the corner some videos that are going to be recommended to you, or just check out my page for more videos on how to create print on demand.